Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to have a little chat with you about saving Instagram posts. Do you know that you can save a post for later? It's a handy feature, especially when you don't have time to properly appreciate a carousel, or when you see a new outfit that you absolutely must buy yourself later on. You can save posts on Instagram. Not only that, you can save them into collections so that they're nicely organized, and you can come back to them later on at times that best suit you. You could save up all of your Instagram content to read in bed on a Sunday morning if you wanted to. You can even create Instagram guides with batches of similarly themed content, straight from your saved posts. How to save an Instagram post. When you see a post you like and want to save for later, look underneath the content, to the right-hand side, for an icon that looks like a bookmark. I'm going to save this post, from Later Media, a social media scheduling tool. If you tap the bookmark icon, it'll turn black to indicate that you have saved it. A small pop-up will also appear, asking if you want to save the post to a collection. If you don't get a chance to save the post to a collection before the pop-up disappears, you don't need to unsave and then resave it. Instead, just press and hold on the bookmark for a couple of seconds. A bigger pop-up will appear, giving you all of the collections you can save the post to. You don't need to save the post to a collection. The feature just makes it easier for you to find similarly themed content. If you've saved a lot of posts, as I have, it can take you a while to scroll them all and find the one you're looking for. By using collections, you cut out some of that time. If you scroll through the home feed and come across a post that you've already saved, the bookmark icon will still be filled in, to indicate that you have already saved it. And that's pretty much it. You have successfully saved an Instagram post for later. To find them later on, head to your profile, click on the three-lined menu, and then look for the saved option. As you can see, it has the same bookmark icon that you just used to save the post. All of your saved posts are organized into the collections you created, as well as by all posts. Audio is stored separately, as you can see here. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.